Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will talk about, if you have content moving out of the frame, so how you can apply, a horizontal scroll. For example, now if I clip it, now if I go to this, if I open in the prototype mode, so now I am not able to scroll it, right? It is not possible to scroll, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all unclip this, the whole thing, okay? I'm going to take all this out, okay? And going to convert it into a frame, a simple frame, okay? So right click on it and then click on frame selection. That's it, okay? Now move it inside your frame, okay? Now do one thing, hold on control button, hold on control key on your keyboard and then clip this frame, okay? Clip this frame, okay? Now when you go to the prototype option here, you will see overflow. Here overflow value will be no scrolling by default. What you have to do is go just click on this drop down and you will have these options: horizontal scroll, vertical scroll, both directions. Now I'm going to click on horizontal scroll. That's it, my work is done. Now see, I'm able to scroll it, okay? I'm able to scroll it. I'll zoom it a little bit so that it's visible to you. See, I can scroll. And then one thing I want to tell you, like you can see one thing, that from the sideways you can see some space is there, right? What you can do about this is just hold on control key on your keyboard and just extend the size of the frame, okay? That's it. Now what it will happen is, see, right now it looks better. So that is it for this video, and I hope you got how you can, apply horizontal scroll, okay? So if you have got any doubt, let me know in the comment section, okay? Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.